So, is Bitcoin going to crash? So, what are my views on this? So, Bitcoin crashed around 20% last week. So, let me tell you what happened last week. So, last Sunday, Bitcoin fell from 62k to 55k and lost 10%. And it also lost its 1 trillion market cap, and that's huge. And these patterns are never been seen since 2018. And last Friday, what happened? Bitcoin lost 10% again and leading its value from 55k to 49k and below 50k. And Bitcoin value has never been reached under 50k since March. So it was a huge loss for Bitcoin. Why this happened? So is it due to the all the futures got liquidated, or it is due to the regulations that had been introduced by Joe Biden in the cryptocurrency world? Analysts say that it is not the end of bull market and Bitcoin is not crashing. It is good for the crypto market as Bitcoin is moving up in the straight direction since last 6 months. And some analysts says that this correction is important for stable market of Bitcoin. And some analysts also said that if all the Twitter accounts, all the Bitcoin holders that are on the Twitter account remove the red eyes, so that is also one of the cause for Bitcoin crashing. So that sounds interesting. In other signs, it is also repeating the history. Like it is also showing the signs that it is in 2017. It's like a last Friday, Bitcoin fees went to $54, and in 2017, before the crash, the fees was $64. So it may be also signs for a crash. And Bitcoin also crashed because as well as there was Earth Day last week, and also Elon Musk and various other peoples talked about it. But the big whales that are holding Bitcoin also talked about like crypto hashes of Bitcoin are becoming more hard, and like it is also harming the environment, and that may be also the case that like there is crash in Bitcoin. Also, in my view, one of the case of crashing the Bitcoin is, you may have heard like the Tether USD coin reached its all-time high. So why it reached its all-time high? Because it got listed on Coinbase. So in last crash, when Bitcoin crashed in around February, in the start of February, there was also a crash because Tether reached under $1. The price of Tether reached crashed around 20 to 30%. So that was a huge crash because Tether was listed out from the Coinbase because due to some issues in the Tether company and Bitfinex. And now the issues are resolved and the borrow and debts are resolved between them, and now the Tether coin also again listed on Coinbase Pro. So that may be also one of the cause that Bitcoin crashed, because anytime when there is something happening in Tether, like when Tether lost its value 30%, then Bitcoin also crashed hugely, and also Ethereum, it also affected Ethereum. So that may be one of the case that Bitcoin crashed. So that are my views on the crash, and what are your views? Please share me in the comment section.